Hi, welcome to Bolton Motormash. My name's Abby, and in this video I am showing you this Ford Fiesta Zetec Powershift. When you press the unlock button on the key, the electric wing mirrors will automatically fold out. Looking at the front of the vehicle, it will have daytime running lights. Looking at the side of the vehicle, 15-inch 5x2 spoke alloy wheels, body coloured wing mirrors with the integrated indicators. Looking now to the rear of the vehicle, as you can see on the right is a badge, Fiesta, which is the model. It does have rear parking sensors to help with those tight spaces. Looking now into the boot, very spacious boot for this 5-door hatchback, very practical. Into the rear, room for 3 passengers, plenty of space for everyone. The storage pockets in the 2 front seats. On the driver's door, it has the electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, the 2 front electric window controls, and a storage compartment just at the bottom. Looking at the seats now, lithos cloth in charcoal black, comfortable with white stitching. Inside the vehicle now, we have the leather multifunction steering wheel. To the left, it has voice control, volume up or down, answering the telephone, and the arrows skip through the radio stations. On the end of the stalk here, it does show different driver statistics at the top there. To the right, there is the control for the lights. Looking through the middle now, plenty of storage compartments, cup holders, USB charging port and an aux cable port. It is the automatic transmission. Putting the vehicle into reverse, the parking aid appears on the screen, very helpful. Here is the climate control, which is easily adjustable by using the dials here. It does have the heated front windscreen and the heated rear window. These buttons here do control the screen there. Currently it's on radio. Pressing the radio button several times does bring up different radio sources. By using the arrow here is the same again, brings up the different radio sources. Using these buttons at the bottom, brings up the radio stations as well. Using the arrows, you can clearly see there's plenty of different radio stations to choose from. Other ways to listen to music, through an aux cable or the CD. You can connect your phone via Bluetooth to answer your phone calls. And the menu here with different settings that can be changed. If you could see yourself driving this Ford Fiesta, please feel free to give us a call if you would like any more information. And thank you for watching my video.